Hello students. So I already explained what are terminating decimal expansion and non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Terminating means it will end at 0. We will get 0 as a reminder. Non-terminating means it will not end and we will not get 0 as a reminder. So recurring means what? The numbers will repeat continuously repeating. Okay, those numbers are called what? Non-recurring, and the and this is the non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Okay, so now move on to the next one. The problems show that 3.142678 is a rational number. So here we will do what? Just show that the 3.142678 is a rational number. We know that what are rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers can be represented in P by Q form. So here we will do what? This 3.142678 can be represented in P by Q form. How to represent? So first take 3.142678. Here after the point, so how many numbers is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be written as 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8 divided by, so after the point 6 numbers is there. So write 6 zeros in the denominator. Okay, so when we divide this number by this, so we will get 3.142678. So this is can be represented in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers. Q must not be equal to 0. Yes, so this is the representation of rational numbers. Okay, so next one is show that 0.3333 is equal to 0.3 bar can be expressed in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q must not be equal to 0. So we just show what this is can be represented in this 0.3 bar means here 333 numbers are continuously repeated. So I will write the bar. Okay, so this number can be represented in P by Q form. How to represent? So the solution is there. See here, since we do not know what 0.3 bar, so we do not know what is 0.3 bar. So let us take a 0.333 as a x. So x is equal to 0.333 bar. Okay, now we multiply both sides by 10. Okay, so when multiply 10 on both sides, we will get this is 10 into x, this is 10 into 0.333, we will get what? 3.333. Yes, so this is 10x is equal to 3.333. So 10x is equal to, this can be written in 3 plus 0.333. So when we add these two numbers, we will get 3.333. Yes. See here, 10x is equal to 3 plus the 0.333 becomes x. Yes. So put x. Okay. So now 10x, this x is shift towards the LHS, we will get minus x is equal to 3. So 10x minus x is 9x. We know that 10x minus x is 9x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. This 9 will shift towards the RHS. It will become division. So 3 1s are 3 3s are. So x is equal to 1 by 3. So this is represented in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers. Q must not equal to 0. So this is rational numbers. So what we will done here? So first we take a 0.333 as a x. Okay. Now multiply both sides by 10. After multiplication, this 10 into 0.33 becomes 3.333. So So this can be written as 3 plus 0.33. So when we are adding these two numbers, we will get 3.333. So this 10x is equal to 3 plus 0.33 becomes x. So this x is shift towards the LHS. The plus x becomes minus x. 10x minus x equal to 3. This 10x minus x is 9x. 9x equal to 3. And x is equal to 3 by 9. 3 1s are 3 3s are x is 1 by 3. So this x is 1 by 3. This is the rational number. It can be represented in P by Q form. Like that you solve all the exercise problems. Okay.